What if Mercury replaced the moon? Imagine a world where our familiar moon is replaced by Mercury. The night sky would be dramatically different. Our tides would be altered beyond recognition. Mercury is much smaller and less massive than the moon. This seemingly simple swap would have profound consequences. The gravitational influence would be significantly reduced. Let's explore the fascinating effects of this cosmic substitution. We'll delve into the tidal changes and the transformation of our night sky. Prepare for a journey into a world subtly yet irrevocably changed. The moon's gravity is the primary driver of Earth's tides. Its gravitational pull creates bulges of water on opposite sides of our planet. These bulges result in the daily rise and fall of sea levels we call tides. Mercury, however, has only about 5.5% of the moon's mass. This means its gravitational force is considerably weaker. The tidal range would shrink dramatically. Coastal areas would experience a significant decrease in tidal fluctuations. This would have a cascading impact on ecosystems and human activities. Think about the implications for fishing and shipping industries. Reduced tidal mixing in the oceans would also be a major concern. This affects nutrient distribution and, consequently, marine life. The delicate balance of coastal ecosystems would be disrupted. The moon is a dominant feature of our night sky. Its bright, reflective surface illuminates the darkness. It has been a source of wonder and inspiration for millennia. Mercury, in contrast, is much smaller and darker. It reflects far less sunlight than the moon. Replacing the moon with Mercury would result in a significantly dimmer celestial object. Mercury would appear as a faint object in the night sky. Its proximity to the sun makes it difficult to observe. Often, it would be lost in the solar glare. Even at its brightest, Mercury would be a fraction as luminous as the full moon. The familiar, comforting glow of our lunar companion would be gone. The night sky would be forever altered. With Mercury in place of the moon, the night sky would become significantly darker. This would have both positive and negative consequences. The darkness would reveal a new perspective on the cosmos. The darker skies would allow for better visibility of stars, planets, and the Milky Way. Astronomers and stargazers would rejoice at the enhanced clarity. The universe would become more accessible to the naked eye. However, the darker nights would also affect nocturnal animals. Many species have adapted to the moon's illumination for hunting and navigation. Their behaviors and survival strategies would be challenged. The ecological impact of a darker night sky is complex and far-reaching. It highlights the interconnectedness of all living things. Even a change in celestial lighting can have profound effects on Earth's ecosystems. Beyond tides and the night sky, the absence of the moon's stabilizing gravitational influence could have other effects. These effects might be subtle, but they could have long-term consequences. One potential effect is on Earth's axial tilt. The moon helps to stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which is currently around 23.5 degrees. Without the moon, Earth's axial tilt could vary more dramatically over time. This could lead to significant climate changes over extremely long timescales. These changes would occur over thousands or even millions of years. However, they illustrate the moon's crucial role in maintaining Earth's long-term stability. The consequences of its absence are far more complex than they initially appear. Replacing the moon with Mercury would lead to a dramatic reduction in tidal forces. Smaller tides would reshape coastal ecosystems. The night sky would become significantly darker. Mercury would appear as a faint object, offering benefits for stargazing. However, there would be substantial ecological and environmental consequences. The altered tides and the absence of the moon's familiar presence would transform our world. The swap would highlight the delicate balance of our planet's systems. It would underscore the importance of the moon's role in shaping our environment. It would be a world subtly yet irrevocably changed.